Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by enabling Apple Intelligence so it can access system and app data. First, confirm your iPad Air M3 runs iPad OS 18 or later and has at least 50% battery. Plug in if needed. Next, make sure you're signed into iCloud with the Apple ID you want to use, because preferences and models sync across devices. Once done, go to Settings, choose Siri and Search, and toggle Apple Intelligence on. That activates the feature and begins indexing app content for smart suggestions. You now configure what Apple Intelligence can use so responses are relevant. Go into Settings, right arrow Apple Intelligence, and grant access to Photos, Notes, Mail, and Calendar. This lets it pull context and summarize content. Make sure you choose whether processing should favor on-device privacy or cloud assistance for deeper reasoning. Then create a home screen widget or a shortcut that invokes Apple Intelligence for quick access. This saves time and ensures the assistant has the right data sources when you finish by using Apple Intelligence with clear, contextual prompts. Name the app, file, or contact you mean, and include desired format. When results arrive, refine them. Tap Suggestions, request edits, or copy output into apps. Make sure to save or share the content where needed. If you encounter issues, slow responses, or missing data, toggle Apple Intelligence off and on, check iCloud sync, and reboot the iPad. This resolves indexing errors most of the time and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.